Pose. Pose. Word. It's God. He's about to sand his wheels. Look at Blanco.
You bitch ass nigga.
My boys. Alright, I gotta go get my car. Cause we're gonna do something today. Psych, I lied. I got two things today that we're gonna do. One of them is nothing super special, just little shit I wanted on my car. But show you guys now. Where's Christian? Christian.
Yes.
Dale, come on, Pipi.
Is it safe? Is it safe? No.
What if you broke an ankle again?
Whoa, I'll be so tight because I'll be fresh. I already fractured my left.
Ooh. So we got two things today.
We got this.
Look at that. Remember in the other videos? The fucking bumper kept falling? Well now, if this shit would focus.
Open it like a man.
Fuck you. Well, it doesn't want to focus, but your JDM speed quick releases. And we got this.
I gonna broke it.
What does it say?
Please be patient. I'm lower to
This is what and this is gonna look mad nice on my check thing.
Yeah, you better bring my shit. Your car's not even that low.
Not yet.
My car's lower than yours, son.
Hey, if you want to come and rob Miguel, his address is 223.
Hey.
Big Dick app.
Obi, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, Louis?
Huh?
Wow, dudes, these things look pretty dope. I don't know why it's not letting it focus, but they look pretty fucking dope. Alright, man, I'm not gonna ask you again, where the fuck is the drill?
Is my ass dirty?
My dick fell off. Oh, there you go. That's not a... We need a drill. Ah, you asshole. That hurt.
Touch you.
Nigga, that shit... Alright, where... Hey! Stop that gay shit. Where the drill bits? Let me see you wheelie that shit. Wah, 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 wah. Psych, nigga, you can't wheelie. Any luck?
You gotta do a mission and find a drill bit.
In there?
What kind of drill bit?
In there, somewhere up there. I don't know.
There's a mess everywhere.
What kind of?
Lewis found a drill bit. What
I
are
didn't
we
even
gonna
find
do? Oh, actually, I found it. Alright. Finally, my bumper won't hang. Because it's got this mean fucking lazy lip or whatever the like. It's got like a lazy eye, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Look at this shit.
Lazy eye?
Look at that. This is horrible. And it doesn't sit back up. As soon as I hit a bump. And then this one comes off too. They're both fucking horrible.
Sorry. Bend over.
Oh, bend over. Oh.
Bend over, bend
Oh,
over,
ah,
bend
my
over.
finger. God damn, my finger's
over,
taking
bend
so much abuse today. Yup, we got it done. So, we got the quick release bumpers in. It looks pretty good.
Super gay.
Shut up. Look at the way you're sanding your wheels. That's gay.
Super gay.
$25.
$25, $25. So don't fucking judge, alright? Right, Christian?
Yeah, don't judge. Just
You look like a-
Wish your nigga would, nigga.
Oh, damn.
Wish your nigga would, nigga.
Oh.
.com, nigga.
Oh.
Fuck.
Damn. I'm scared. Alright, now we gotta do the other side.
So we're putting on the quick releases right now. I'm gonna wait till after to see how it looks like.
Gotta do the other side now.
Wish your nigga would .com, nigga.
It's still going.
Yeah.
Promise you it looks a lot better than when it looks like in the camera. Alright, go ahead, Booby. just gotta use a little grinder to take out the metal shavings that are going the opposite way, because it's not letting me put the other quick release on.
Fuck you, man.
Fuck you more. How
That's
about
all the
that?
way?
Bro, you look like a gangbanger, bro. Like real shit.
Yeah, cholo, nigga.
And then you see that bun, it's just like, damn, he's really soft.
Nigga, your turning radius sucks.
Did you go all the way?
That's all the
That's all the way.
Get the fuck out. Oh, it's because it's hitting that. The metal thingy.
You're good.
Yeah.
It's not hitting.
No?
No.
I don't know. Never fucking fails. I try to do my own thing, you know, booby. Takes over. All the time. What the fuck? Oh, chill, don't do that. That's disrespectful.
Fucking stick.
Thank you. Whoa, that's a whole lot of ass crack, man. Yeah, I would have laughed if that hit the camera, dude. The fucking quick release. Yo, get your dick on my face, son. I got them on both sides. The right side already. It's already improved. The fucking bumper from hanging super bad. This one's a really bad side, though. It's kind of a pain in the ass. The metal shavings didn't want to go on. I mean, didn't let it go on. So this is the right way to do it, okay? Not none of this. That don't work. This right here, you twist and you pull up. Bang. There you go. See? Look, now the fender looking nice. Looks way better than before. Look. Bang.
No nudity.
Yeah, booty.
Good start.
This shit looks tough. Never had quick releases. Looks pretty even, I guess.
It makes it perfect.
Huh?
It's crazy how perfect it makes it.
That's straight though, because it's still lifting it up. It's not hanging like before. It looks tough. How's the sanding going, bro? Oh shit.
I got off the fucking curb brush right here with this
Word.
shit.
How, that was you?
Huh?
That was you?
No,
How the fuck you get curb rash?
I
in
don't
the
know
middle,
how the
dude?
fuck you get curb rash in the middle. Look, this is gonna stay there. But it was like someone hit it with like a hammer or some shit, and it just like came in. Fucking white people.
Fucking trucks, man.
Shut up. Alright, now that I got those shits on. Yo, why you following me, son?
What?
Alright, I got those on. Now I'm gonna put these. Oh, are they perfect? No. Where's the 11? Where's the 12?
I'm a bikester, man.
Wah, 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 wah. Alright, where's?
Like this.
Hold on, you.
Like this.
Yeah.
Oh shit, what was that?
Aha! Right up in my face. Right up to my face. Subs. Let's do this. Choose an 11. Ah, see, I'm good with my tools. I remember it was an 11. Wow, I just scratched the shit out of my paint. Like, right there. It's not showing, but it's there. Trust me. But this is how it looks like before. I'm gonna show you guys how after it looks, because it looks a lot better. At least to my taste. I always like I have to like customize everything on a car. Everything has to be touched. Talk about how big these shits are, man. These shits are big as fuck, son. Look at that. Look at that. This shit is big as hell. Why isn't it letting this freaking... I don't know. It's mad blurry. I don't know what's up with this camera. By the way, we're not using the phone anymore. Fucking nasty. I'm not using the phone anymore. We're using an actual camera. It's a Nikon or whatever the fuck it's called. But that's how it's looking so far, guys. It looks pretty dope. That's what it looks like after. Looks pretty dope with it. So that's all I'm pretty much doing today. pretty much all I wanted to do today. Lewis is sanding his wheels. Coming out pretty tough. What color do you want to paint them again?
I'm just gonna paint them white.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Huh?
Just white.
Can I just grind it one time?
He's just gonna paint them all white then, I guess.
You might want this.
I'm gonna have to bring Christian home in a little bit. He's gotta take a shit. Or
I got toilet paper in the backyard.
yo, what my Honda would look like with. That's just not gonna work regardless. I am gonna do fender flares on this bitch though, just to see how it look. Like I want to do like a Rocket Bunny kind of look. So I'm already gonna get the
Rocket Bunny Accord.
Samurai.
That shit's gonna be dope as fuck. Samurai.
Samurai.
Did it hit you?
Yeah.
That shit hurt, right?
That shit fucking hurt.
But I'm gonna do fender flares. I got the wheels. I'm gonna do spiked lugs.
It's a Samurai.
I got the rocket. Well, I'm gonna buy the Rocket Bunny tail for it. It's gonna look tough as fuck. I'm gonna get the car repainted a bright red, like type color of the fucking tail lights, like my old car. Redo the whole interior, make it all black, sticker bomb certain parts, and get that shit changed because I hate the way that shit is red. I got it like that. I'm gonna paint the carpets black. I'm gonna redo the whole car. I'm gonna paint that whole back.
Hey, I see you,
black.
man.
I'm gonna take those
I'll see you, man.
trumpets off.
I'll see you.
You out?
Yeah.
I gotta bring this little asshole home.
Can I drive it?
Half-minute burnout without any oil in it.
Yup. Let's see your car do that. How about that one? No. No.
I see your car do it.
No.
Let's see how.
Did I or did I not do a mean ass burnout in my car?
You did it. All I heard was till your axles break.
Keep playing, bro. You gonna fuck up and crack the rest of your. Nigga, your whole fucking that whole pipe is just gonna pop off, hit the ground, just.
It's gonna just make hear it just spitting inside.
And then all you hear is,
You know, you can't even make fun of this. You can't even make fun of this car because he makes fun of his own car.
I make fun of my own car.
He doesn't give a shit.
See, I gotta cut my exhaust, bro. I'm tired of hearing the same fucking noise all around in Brenton, bro. That whole. I want my shit. Boom, boom,
That's fucking.
boom, 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 boom.
You got a straight pipe to a far can.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's why it sounds like shit.
Add like a resonator like in the mid pipe or some shit.
Sounds
I
like
have a what's it called? I have a what is it called? It's an empty resonator
He
or
has
some
a
shit.
resonator.
It's the muffler. I know that's what it is, bro. Because when I didn't
You
have,
have one there, the far can, that's a resonator.
that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Gotta get
So
rid of
you
that
have,
shit.
You have a gutty cat going straight back to a straight pipe to the resonator. I'm saying put another like a glass pack.
All I need to do is just straight pipe that shit, cut the fucking muffler off, and I'm good to go. That's all it is. Am I right or am I right? Oh, I.
The downpipe, that was a resonator, and then.
So his wheels are coming out pretty good. That shit, the wheels are coming out pretty good, man. And look at them legs though. Nike.
That one still needs.
Nike. What?
Cocky. Yo, Maharashi have all white paint on
Fucking
them.
cars peeing on the ground.
I mean, I don't care. It looks cool.
Damn. What looks cool?
I got white paint all over my Hirachis. Like
Well, that's it for today's videos.
You good?
I'm tired.
You lazy
We
now?
really don't have that much to do, so we're probably just gonna lay down and do shit. Well, that's it for today's video. Straight gang. Gang.